In a world where technology continually pushes the boundaries of creativity, Adobe has once again shattered expectations with the launch of their groundbreaking innovation, the remarkable FIREFLY Photoshop. This cutting-edge AI-powered tool has taken the design and image manipulation realm by storm, leaving both professionals and enthusiasts awestruck. Prepare to step into a new era of digital artistry as we delve into the remarkable phenomenon that is Adobe's FIREFLY Photoshop. In this video, we'll explore the intricacies of this AI-driven marvel, its extraordinary capabilities, and how it is set to redefine the very essence of image editing. Get ready to witness the fusion of imagination and technology like never before. What is FIREFLY? In the dynamic landscape of image manipulation, Adobe's FIREFLY Photoshop emerges as a transformative force, ushering in a new era of creative possibilities. At its core, this ingenious tool introduces a concept known as generative fill, redefining how visual content is conceived and crafted. This innovation empowers users to harness their imagination through uncomplicated text prompts, but it's the tool's capability to seamlessly merge images that truly sets it apart, all powered by the enchantment of AI. Unlike superficial AI gimmicks, FIREFLY Photoshop fuses the realms of artistry and technology to produce visuals that are not just striking, but remarkably authentic in appearance. How to access FIREFLY? Before you immerse yourself in the world of FIREFLY Photoshop, it's essential to ensure you are equipped with the right tools. First and foremost, confirm that you have the latest version of Adobe Photoshop installed. This serves as your gateway to unlocking the potential of this innovative AI-driven tool. To get started, Adobe has introduced FIREFLY Photoshop within the realm of the Photoshop beta version. If you're wondering how to access this treasure trove of creativity, here's a step-by-step guide. Check for the beta version. Upon opening your Creative Cloud application, keep an eye out for the Beta Apps section. This is your portal to a world of cutting-edge features, including FIREFLY Photoshop. Download the beta. If you can't spot the beta version of Photoshop in your Creative Cloud, fret not. Simply navigate to the Beta Apps section, where you'll find the option to download the beta version of Photoshop. This crucial step is your ticket to unlocking the AI magic of FIREFLY Photoshop. Enter the realm. Once you're within the beta version of Photoshop, the journey becomes even more exciting. Look for the Try Now option, akin to opening the door to a world of endless creative potential. This is your gateway to harnessing the AI phenomenon that is FIREFLY Photoshop. Unveiling the power of generative fill. Prepare to witness the dawn of a new era in image creation and manipulation, all thanks to the transformative capability of FIREFLY's generative fill. Unlike its traditional counterpart, the content-aware fill, this ingenious tool doesn't just follow instructions, it collaborates with your imagination and employs the magic of AI to bring your creative visions to life. Imagine possessing an image of a serene frozen lake and yearning to infuse it with the ethereal allure of reflections or the captivating dance of the northern lights. FIREFLY steps up to the challenge with an elegance that defies convention. Using a straightforward text prompt, you guide the AI to transform the ordinary into the extraordinary. Picture the image expanding before your eyes, reflections appearing as if summoned by a sorcerer's hand, and the northern lights weaving their mystical dance into the scene. Mastering the art of transformation. Picture a canvas where your creative desires flow boundlessly. FIREFLY's realm extends beyond the realm of mere enhancements. It's a realm of remolding reality itself. Picture removing undesired elements from your composition and watch as the scene effortlessly redefines itself. A simple remove prompt acts as a whisper to the AI magician who deftly erases the unwanted object without a trace. The result? A visual symphony where the pristine integrity of the image remains untarnished. Creating artistic compositions. FIREFLY's prowess extends far beyond the boundaries of image alteration. It's a virtuoso in the realm of creating entirely new visual symphonies. It's not just a tool, it's a collaborator in your creative process, capable of generating intricate elements that seamlessly merge with your scenes. From sprightly plants to timeless furniture, FIREFLY conjures these components with the precision of a maestro, weaving them into your canvas as if they had always belonged. While the realm of animals and complex movements might present challenges, FIREFLY finds its true forte in crafting stationary marvels, meticulously crafting shadows and reflections that defy the digital realm. As designers, creatives, and visionaries, our role is to embrace these groundbreaking tools, adapt to their language, and explore the uncharted territories they unveil. FIREFLY Photoshop isn't just a tool, it's an opportunity to redefine our creative limits. It invites us to dance on the precipice of innovation, where pixels and imagination merge to craft visual narratives that were once deemed impossible. If you found this article enlightening, inspiring, or even sparked a curious smile, remember to like, comment, and subscribe.